The Alfa Romeo Giulia is a refreshing alternative in the executive car category, offering a thrilling drive with its rear-wheel drive setup. It carries on the tradition of good-looking Italian cars, said Neil Wynn. Lightweight aluminium enhances fuel efficiency and cornering agility. Inside, the Giulia offers a sporty driving position with a 12.3-inch digital dash. While not as customizable as the Audi A4's virtual cockpit, it provides 3 layout options. The interior quality is respectable, with soft-touch surfaces and metal inserts, though it lags behind German rivals. The Giulia's handling is a standout feature, with balanced steering and smooth ride quality. The Veloce trim includes a limited slip differential for enhanced grip. Adaptive suspension on the Competizione trim allows for adjustable ride firmness, adding to the driving pleasure. Every Giulia comes with an 8.8-inch infotainment screen, controllable via touch or a rotary dial. While the graphics are not top-notch, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard. The Veloce trim offers an optional 900W Harman Kardon sound system for audiophiles. Starting at £38,795, the Giulia is priced alongside the Mercedes C-Class. The entry-level Sprint trim includes 18-inch wheels and active cruise control. The Veloce trim adds sportier styling and features, while the Competizione offers adaptive suspension and premium sound.